In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up target CPA bidding in Google Ads and help you decide if this strategy is the right fit for your advertising needs. If you're seeking to improve your ad efficiency by optimizing your cost per action or CPA, this guide will walk you through the steps to get started. First, let's open up your web browser and navigate to the Google Ads homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to click on the Sign In button, which will allow you to access your Google Ads account. If you're already logged into your Google account, you may be redirected directly to the Google Ads home, giving you an overview of your campaigns. When you arrive at the Google Ads home, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already acquainted. The next thing you'll do is click on Campaigns from the left-hand menu. This action will lead you to a list of your current ad campaigns where you can make adjustments or create new ones. Now, to focus on a specific campaign where you want to implement target CPA bidding, you'll need to click on Settings. This option allows you to modify various parameters of your chosen campaign. Once in the settings, direct your attention to the bidding section. This is where you can fine-tune how your ads are bid for and displayed. In the bidding section, look for the option that says Target CPA. Target CPA, or cost per action, is a smart bidding strategy in Google Ads that helps you get as many conversions as possible at the target cost you set. If you aim to optimize your ad expenditure and control your budget through performance-focused metrics, this tool is particularly beneficial. Selecting Target CPA will prompt you to input your desired average CPA. This step is crucial because it determines how much the system will optimize your spending towards gaining conversions. Set a realistic target based on your advertising goals and past performance data. Keep in mind that setting this target too low or too high could impact your campaign's success. Once you've input your target CPA, be sure to review your settings for accuracy, check that you've selected the correct campaign and that all your details are in order. At this stage, it's also wise to consider testing different target CPA values over time. An adaptive approach can help refine your strategy as you gather more insights from your campaigns. To finalize everything, confirm your settings. When you're satisfied, save your changes. By following these steps, you'll have successfully set up target CPA bidding on your chosen campaign in Google Ads. Regularly monitoring the performance and making necessary adjustments will ensure your advertising efforts remain effective and well aligned with your business objectives. Thank you for following along. I hope now you feel confident in setting up target CPA bidding in Google Ads and that you find it a valuable addition to your advertising toolkit.